Halo kawan-kawan semuanya, berjumpa kembali di channel YouTube Mahkota Aceh Channel. Semoga kalian sehat selalu, banyak rezeki, dan bahagia selalu. Di video ini admin akan membagikan lagi aplikasi Domino RP versi 1.91 versi terbaru saat ini. Di versi terbaru ini yang baru saja update pada tanggal 22 September 2022, ada beberapa penambahan fitur diantaranya, pada bagian ID login, kita bisa mengecek kembali password yang sudah kita tulis. Kemudian untuk bagian tampilan chat teman, dan chat global sudah dipindahkan ke bagian kiri saat kita membuka panel chat. Kemudian di bagian status info profil pribadi juga telah ditambahkan status aktif ID, saat kita masuk ke dalam aplikasi Domino. Dan kemudian di bagian profil pribadi, kita juga sudah bisa mengcustom atau merubah nama akun. Ini hanya berlaku khusus untuk akun pengunjung saja. Kalau akun Facebook tidak bisa. Dan yang terakhir, ada perubahan tampilan kemenangan pemain dalam slot. Jadi itulah beberapa perubahan di versi 1.91 terbaru ini. Di aplikasi Hicks Domino ini juga telah terpasang X8 Spider di dalamnya, dengan settingan patch X8 Spider P1H1, P1H4 dan P1H5. Bisa kalian pilih mana yang cocok untuk HP yang kalian pakai. Dan jika kawan-kawan butuh aplikasi Domino ini, silakan cek kolom komentar paling atas yang sudah saya sematkan, bisa langsung download tanpa ribet dan tanpa password. Dan untuk kawan-kawan yang baru gabung di channel YouTube Mahkota Aceh Channel, jangan lupa tekan tombol subscribe, like, komen, dan share ke teman-teman kalian, agar channel ini semakin berkembang lagi ke depannya. Dan mari kita siapkan waktunya sejenak untuk menyimak video ini.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit.